My name is Spencer. I surpassed 6th grades due to my intelligence. I consider myself a theoretical physicist. Systematically speaking, of course. Despite my excelled education, I seem to lack certain social skills. And haven't quite yet mastered social cues. For instance, I just received this letter from Cindy via snail mail. She shows interest in being my lab partner in physics. Clear enough. But then she continues to say, the light that reflects off my braces brings more warmth into her day than sunlight. I'm pretty sure that's an inaccurate statement, but I shall overlook it for now. I suppose I could give her the opportunity to work with one of the finest specimens of her generation. I'm just perplexed by all this excessive elaboration about me in this letter. Sigh. My peers perplex me, but I suppose it's due to my frontal lobe exponentially exceeding theirs. What's a modern day genius to do?